Hello guys, welcome back to ReTerandil, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix invisible enemies and holes bug fix in Elden Ring and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the solution, and if you're for the first time to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. So let's move to the workarounds. So if you want to do this up, you just have to follow the instructions. So I'll be giving a link in the description, so that will take you to this one. Okay, so that will take you to this one. So from here you have to do few steps. So first thing is, I'll be giving a link in the description that will take you Nexus modes, and from here what you have to do is, as you can see, a bug fix is being uploaded over here. So you just have to go to this link. Now from here you just have to click on files, and when you're trying to download, for some users they might ask to make an account. So you can make an account which is free and just click on manual download. So now you will be having two options: go for slow download, go for fast one. So implement fast one, you should be having the premium account, which is gonna charge you guys out, so you don't have to just go for slow download. Okay, so you just have to wait for it, and once it is done you have to click over here, so that as you can see it's been downloaded. And now you just have to open show in folder, and this is where it's been right here. So what you have to do is, you just have to follow the instruction that you just have to click over here and go to show more options. Now from here you just have to go for extract to updated bug, so just go for it. So what happens is, you just have to do this up, so you will be getting a folder like this. So it is extracted and you're having the folder, and if you open this you will be having a folder named regulation.bin. So this is the fix. Okay, now you just have to copy and paste this up on the Elden Ring folder. So to do this you just have to follow the instruction that you just have to go over here, and you just have to navigate to the section. So you can navigate to the section, which means where the game is installed. As you can see, these are the game installed right now on my laptop. So you just have to go to this PC. Now from here go to localdisk C. From here go to program files 86. From here you just have to navigate to Steam. From here you just have to go to Steam apps. Now from here click on common, and these are the game. Right now as you can see the Elden Ring. So you just have to open the folder, and you'll once you open the folder you will be having a folder like this one, regulation.bin. So it is not like a folder like this. You will be having a original regulation.bin which is downloaded from the Steam on the Elden Ring folder. So what you have to do is, you just have to take a backup of that file. Okay, you have to take a backup. For example, you have to take a backup like this. Okay, you have to open the folder, and for example I'll show you with an example of farming simulator. So if you're having any kind of thing over here, in the same way you have to copy, and you just have to take a backup over here and name it with, as you know, you have to name backup or something, and you can do this up, and you have to just do this. I'm showing you an example with the farming simulator, don't get confused, and just keep it over here in the Elden Ring. Okay, so now you have a backup file of original Elden Ring, the regulation.bin file, and you have to delete the file. I mean, you took a backup, right? You took a backup. So if this is the original file, so you just have to delete it. Okay, once you delete and you're having a backup, so you don't have to worry. And once it is done, you just have to minimize this one, and you have to go to the new updated bug fixer regulation.bin. So you just have to copy this, and you just have to go back, and you just have to go back to the game, open Elden Ring, and you just have to paste it. Okay, so you just have to paste this one. You just have to paste the farming simulator, not this one. Okay, you just have to go to downloads. So as you can see, you have regulation.bin over here, so just copy this. Okay, now just go back to the where the game is installed. For example, like this PC, go once again to the program files, go to Steam, go to Steam Apps. Now from here, go to Common, and here we are having Elden Ring. So you just have to paste it. So the new updated regulation bin is over here. So you just have to close this, and you have to go to Steam Store, and you just have to play the Elden Ring from here. You just have to play the Elden Ring from here, and also make sure that you are playing mostly on offline, so the issue will be completely fixed. This is what you have to do when you're having this issue, and I hope this video is helpful. So the thing is, you just have to delete the you have to take a backup of regulation.bin from the Steam folder where the game is installed. Then you have to delete it. That means you have to delete the original one. Then you have to get the file from where the new file, which is downloaded from the Nexus mode, you have to copy and paste it over here in the folder. Try to play the game, and it is all done. So this is what you have to do, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.